Hello and welcome back to Direct Health and Fitness. In today's fast-paced society, it can be challenging to find time for fitness. But fear not, we've got some practical tips to help you achieve a balanced lifestyle. First, prioritize your fitness. Schedule your workouts just like you would any other important appointment. This commitment will help you make exercise a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Next, make the most of your time. Opt for high-intensity interval training or HIIT workouts that offer maximum results in minimum time. With HIIT, you can get a heart-pumping, calorie-burning workout in as little as 20 minutes. Don't forget about active breaks. Instead of sitting at your desk all day, take short breaks to stretch, walk, or even do some quick exercises. These mini workouts will boost your energy and productivity throughout the day. Another great way to balance fitness and a busy lifestyle is by incorporating movement into your daily activities. Opt for the stairs instead of the elevator, park your car farther away, or even have walking meetings. These small changes can add up to significant fitness gains. Planning your meals and snacks in advance is essential. Prep healthy meals and snacks on the weekends or whenever you have some free time. This will save you from reaching for unhealthy options when you're short on time. Remember, rest and recovery are vital for overall fitness. Ensure you get enough sleep and allow your body time to recover from workouts. Resting is just as important as being active. So remember, balancing fitness with a busy lifestyle is possible. Prioritize your fitness, make the most of your time, incorporate movement, plan your meals, and don't forget to rest. With these hacks, you can achieve a healthy balance in your hectic world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and hacks.